Hi, everyone. Thank you for taking 10 minutes out of your day to spend it with me while we talk about connectivity and knowledge and why it is the backbone of your AI success. A little bit about me. My name is Samantha Middlebrook, and I'm the Vice President of Product Strategy and Marketing at Upland Software. Don't worry, this is not a hard sell vendor session. In fact, my background is in strategic consulting, particularly in the knowledge space. And I'm talking way back from a time before knowledge was cool. That's right, before the hype of Gen AI made it sexy, back when people believed it was something about SharePoint or storing dusty files. What I love about my job is I can help organizations like yours cut through the noise and promises that often come with AI investment and help guide you in the best way to use the technology to actually solve your business problems. And while someone may have told you that AI is the silver bullet, there is something really important that you should know before you get started on your projects with your AI investments. That's enough about me. Today, we're covering off a couple of things: defining connectivity, challenges you may be facing today, how to break down those silos, and what AI enablement could look like for you. Let's start off with why connectivity is so important for your AI success. Let's think about it. In your organization, there are different individuals who are phenomenal at different functions. For today, I'm going to talk to you about a fictitious yet well-regarded management consulting firm. Let's call them AI Solves Everything Consulting. Sue is in payroll, John is in legal, Sally is in sales. Each of them with their own set of expertise, each of them with certain ability to problem solve because of their experience in their field. They have context from past experience and have confidence because of their tenure. Now let's think about Sally for a second. She's working on a massive deal with her client, and she has this pretty curly question about their contract. Sally obviously knows the risks of getting it wrong, so she's going to connect with John. After all, he's a legal expert. And by connecting to other people in her team, she can solve her problem faster and closes that sale, which is beneficial for the business in a safe and legal way. Now, imagine we're not talking about people. In fact, imagine we're talking about AI, because in your organization, you've got many data sources, many applications that are expert in doing different things, but not designed to do some others. You could have multiple AI models working in silos. And just like with humans, without a way to connect them, you expose yourself to risk, operational failures, and revenue loss. Now, if we were in a room together, I'd make you stand up and raise your hand at each one of these statements that applied to you. Not to call you out and embarrass you, but to let you look around and see that everyone in the room may be experiencing these same problems too. And newsflash, these problems have been around long before AI, but they are crucial for you to solve now to make sure your AI initiatives are delivering what you were promised. Let's get back to our fictitious consulting firm. Imagine they're deploying individual AI solutions for legal, payroll, and sales, each operating independently. The legal AI can't see commission structures, the payroll AI doesn't know anything about contract terms, and the sales AI can't access compliance requirements. It's like having three great employees who never talk to each other. When an AI system operates in isolation, it's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces. Your sales AI might approve a discount without knowing the legal implications, or your payroll might process commissions without understanding the full contract terms. This creates a domino effect of inefficiencies. And then your employees become frustrated because they have to manually bridge these gaps, re-enter data, or switch between multiple systems. Now your sales manager is frustrated. And after all, wasn't the promise of AI to make this faster and easier? And this frustration leads to poor adoption. When your users find themselves fighting these siloed systems, rather than being helped by them, they revert to their old ways of working. And it creates a vicious cycle. You've paid all this money for this technology and no one wants to use it. It should be smooth, compliant deal closure. And now it's a risky and time-consuming process of manual checks and balances, worse than it was before, all because your tech isn't talking to each other. At BA Insight, we know connectivity is key, and that's why we built the ConnectivityHub, a way to orchestrate your AI investment to ensure maximum benefits from that investment. When Sally in sales is structuring a deal, she needs John from legal to review the contract terms, while also checking with Sue from payroll about commission structures. This natural collaboration helps avoid risk and close deals efficiently. Now imagine your AI systems working in the same way. A unified knowledge base for AI is like creating a digital workplace where all of those departments' expertise come together. Instead of having separate AI systems that can't communicate, like having John, Sue, and Sally all working from home and not giving them email, Teams, or a phone. A unified system allows AI to access and connect to all that critical information. Just like Sally wouldn't close a deal without checking with legal and payroll, your AI shouldn't be making recommendations without understanding the full context across your departments. When you add AI, knowledge, context, and data, you're elevating information into action, and that's where you get real results. Now, I don't want to scare you with this slide because let's face it, data security feels ominous, but this is important because delivering the right knowledge to the right person is key. Let's continue with our scenario. Sally's in sales, John is in legal, Sue is in payroll. To explain how security and data access works in an intelligent way. In a traditional office, a junior sales rep doesn't have access to all the same information as Sally, the senior sales manager. Similarly, while Sally can consult with John about basic contract terms, she doesn't have access to all the legal confidential files. This is exactly how our platform security model works. When a junior sales rep uses the AI, they can access knowledge appropriate to their level. Maybe it's basic contract templates and standard commission rates, but they can't see the sensitive legal precedents and confidential payroll data, even though the AI can use this information to guide its response within the appropriate boundaries. This is crucial because without these security measures, you'd face two bad choices. Either lock down your AI so tightly it becomes ineffective, or risk exposing sensitive information across your organization. Instead, our platform maintains security at the document and data level, just like the existing permission structures. It's like having an intelligent assistant that understands and respects your organization's security hierarchy while still facilitating that knowledge share. Knowledge is everywhere in your organization, and hopefully it's become pretty clear that knowledge is crucial to your AI success. So how can you leverage this better? How do you get to it faster? How do you add that context to make it more accurate? And how do you start to transform it into action? We do this by indexing from all those business applications that you already have in your business. NetDocs, iManage, Salesforce, directly into a centralized graph where your knowledge can retrieve the information. This means you have connection, extension of your AI capability, it's scalable, and you retain that security. ConnectivityHub is a simple solution to properly access knowledge to power AI. With 95 plus connectors and the ability to build more, you can index information and choose when, how, and what knowledge is fed into AI transparently. We enable enterprise AI by providing a 360-degree view of your business, producing better outcomes. Pick and choose what technology you'd like to use, whether it's Microsoft's Copilot or Amazon Bedrock or anything in between. Have the peace of mind that no security is lost and risks are minimized. Thank you for taking 10 minutes out of your day to share it with Team BAI. If you're worried that your AI project isn't set up for success, then why not connect with us today?